Good morning, Ella! Today we fly!
Wow! The balloon is ready!
Biscuit comes too.
Hello, Biscuit! Hold on tight! This is gonna be the best trip ever! This is my season's journal.
Let's collect one treasure from every season. Up, up, and away!
We are flying! Goodbye, house! Wow! I can see the whole valley!
Look! 4 seasons, side by side.
Look! It is spring! The flowers are pink.
Spring is the season of flowers.
Look down! Baby animals!
Little lambs and baby ducks.
Hello! A pink blossom for my journal.
Treasure number 1. Wonderful.
It is raining!
Quick, open the umbrella. Ha ha ha.
Now it is summer!
It is sunny and hot. Summer is the season of sunshine. The sun is strong. Put on your sun hat. Ha ha.
Biscuit has a hat too. Look at this beautiful petal.
It is a perfect keepsake.
This is treasure number 2. Look! The water is so blue.
And the fish are jumping.
Splash! Wow! It is autumn. The leaves are orange.
Red, orange, and gold. The trees are painting. Whoa! It is windy.
Hold your hat. Got it. Ha-ha! The wind is strong. A red leaf, treasure 3.
Thank you, Biscuit. Good catch. It is getting cold. Put on your warm scarf.
Thank you. Biscuit, stay warm with me. It is winter. It is snowing.
Winter is the season of snow. So quiet, so white.
Look, the lake is ice.
And the snow hairs are sliding.
A snowflake, treasure 4.
Spring, summer, autumn, winter. You have them all.
Grandpa, look! The sky is dancing.
Green and purple lights. How beautiful. The sun is going down. Let's fly home.
What a wonderful day. We are back. Home sweet home.
A perfect landing. Well done, team.
Spring, summer, autumn, winter. All 4 seasons in one little book.
And the best treasure is a day with you.
Are you ready, Luna?
Yes! I want to fly to the moon! Hello, Luna. I am Pip. Hi, Pip. Hi, Pip. Let's go to space. Put on your helmet. Buckle up. Okay. I am ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. Wow! Blast off! Wow! We little scared, but I am brave. Look, Pip! So many stars! We are in space now! Look down! It is the Earth! It is blue and green. So beautiful! You did it, Luna! Can you see the Earth? Yes! Yes, that is my home! Look! We are floating! Whee! This is so much fun! Look ahead! The big moon! Let's land on the moon! Whoa!
Get ready to land.
Hold on! We landed on the moon! One small step for me. Wow! Look at the craters! Look! I can jump so high! Boing! 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 Ha ha ha! Look! The Earth is up there! It looks so small and pretty. Look, Pip! A shiny blue crystal! It glows! Let's take it home. This is a gift from my mom. She will love it! Look! Shooting stars! Make a wish, Luna!
It is time to come home.
Okay, take me home, Pip. Home, here we come. Faster, faster! Earth is close. Hold on, we are landing. Almost home. We are home! We did it, Luna! Mom! I missed you!
Welcome home, my little star.
This is for you, Mom. From the moon.
I love it, and I love you.
Welcome to the Great Garden Race!
Pip, today you are a racer! Wow, they are so fast! Dash is the fastest, and you are the bravest! Chin up, Pip!
A hedgehog in a race? You are the slowest!
Slow, but I will try. I want to finish.
Racers, ready, set,
Slow and steady, Pip.
go!
I am racing! Look, Glim, I am racing! They are so far ahead. They are getting smaller. Never mind them. You just keep going, slow and steady. This way, Pip, over the log bridge. Over the bridge, slowly. I can do it! Wow, the flower is so big! Keep moving, Wonder Eyes. Around and on. Under the fern, so green and cool. Almost through, Pip. Keep those little legs going. I am tired, Glim. But watch this. I will roll. Whoa! I won't stop. Don't give up. Glim, look! I can see the finish flower.
You're really doing it, Pip!
Almost there. someone needs help. But the finish is right there. Don't worry, little one. I will help you. But you'll lose the race.
Up you go, slowly there, home.
You saved me. Thank you, thank you. Up you go, slowly. There, home. You saved me. Thank you. Thank you. Dash 1. The race is over for me, but I am glad I stopped. You are safe. Pip, we saw everything.
You gave up the race to help. You are not the slowest.
You are the kindest racer here.
Come on, Pip. We all crossed the line with you.
Together? Then let's finish together.
And here comes Pip! Pip crosses the line!
I crossed first. But this is for the bravest heart in the garden.
I did not win the race. But we won something better. We won together! Yeah! You are slow. Will you be my friend?
A new friend?
Always! Best friends! You are still the slowest little hedgehog in the garden, you know. Slow, but never alone. And that is enough for me. So who really won today, Pip?
The fastest isn't always the winner. The kindest is.
Same race next year, Pip?
You'd better start now.
Ha! I'm already rolling. See you at the finish, friends! Oh no, my light! It keeps going dim. Please stay bright. Tonight is the festival! I am the smallest firefly in the valley. But tonight, I will help light the festival!
Fly with us, little one. Up the mountain to the lantern tree.
The wind! Hold on, wait! I can't keep up! Oh no, I'm all alone. The mountain is so far. But I have to try. Up the valley, I will find a way.
Hello, little firefly. You fell from the sky. Don't worry, I can help.
You can? I must reach the festival before my light goes out.
Ember, your light is getting dim. We must hurry.
Then let's go fast. Bright or dim, I won't give up.
Hold on, Ember. Hop across the stone. 2, 3.
The stones are glowing. Look, we made a path of light.
Oh no, the river is too wide to hop. Now what?
Climb onto this leaf, little firefly. I will carry you down the river. Quick!
My light feels warmer with you here.
That is how it works, little one. Follow the glow, always toward the light.
Excuse me, Professor. Which way to the mountain? Please, I must hurry.
Up the path and over the ridge, but the way is steep. You will need a fast friend.
Oh no, her light is nearly out. Ember, stay with us.
I'm okay. I just need a little rest.
Here, little one. Take a little of my light.
It's working! Your light makes my light brighter.
I heard you need to reach the top. Climb on. I am small, but I am fast.
Thank you, Moss. Faster than the wind, let's go! Up, up, up the mountain! We're really doing it!
Almost there, Ember.
I can see the land of lanterns! I can see it! I can see the festival! We made it!
But look, the great lantern tree is still dark. It waits for a light to begin.
The big fireflies are too big. They cannot reach the little inside. But I am small. I am the smallest of all. Maybe that is what it needs.
Ember, you can do it! We believe in you!
Here I go, all the way up. For everyone! It fits! Just the right size. Now, light up, everyone! Look, the whole tree is glowing. She did it! It's begun! Look, the whole valley is awake. Everyone is glowing.
Because one small light was brave enough to climb. Well done, little one.
I was the smallest firefly in the whole valley.
And the smallest light started it all. Size never mattered, Ember. Heart did.
I couldn't have done it alone. We did it together.
Light to light, friend to friend.
All the way up the mountain. My light kept going dim, but you never let it go out. Now I know, my light will never go out again. Not with you.
One night a year, the whole valley glows. And even the smallest light can start it all. And so, the whole valley glowed because one tiny light was brave. Remember, even the smallest light can start it all.
Take a little of my light. Repeat after me. Take a little of my light. One more time. Take a little of my light.
Even the smallest light can start it all. Repeat after me. Even the smallest light. Even the smallest light can start it all.
What is ember? A little bird. B, the smallest firefly. C, a big fish. The smallest firefly. Great job! Perfect!